Hey there, folks. Are you ready to make your waste disappear with ease? Look no further than DumpStars Indiana, your go-to solution for dumpster rental in Logansport, Indiana. We offer an efficient and hassle-free waste management experience as we revolutionize how you handle your waste removal projects. We take the stress out of waste disposal. Whether you're a homeowner with a weekend cleanup project or a business tackling a significant renovation, DumpStars Indiana has you covered. With a wide range of dumpster sizes and a commitment to prompt delivery and pickup, we tailor our services to fit your needs seamlessly. But what sets DumpStars Indiana apart? It's not just about dumpsters, it's about a team dedicated to your satisfaction. We've got the expertise, the resources, and a customer-centric approach that makes every interaction a breeze. So, why stress about waste when DumpStars Indiana can make it disappear? Dial 765-419-7884 or visit www.dumpstarsindiana.com. Dumpster Rental Logansport IN to book your dumpster today. Let DumpStars Indiana be your waste management superhero, because waste removal should be as easy as pressing play.